All right, so here's the newest video we got on how to run the calls. So here we got the wallet with the BNB and the wallet we're running the call to. So to start off, I'll open up MetaMask and I'll just create a new wallet and then move the BNB to MetaMask. So I'll copy the address, open up Trust Wallet, and send that over. Perfect. Now, open up the DApp browser, go on the Tele-gram, and here's the channel description for reference. Now copy the callback. All right, now paste that in. And connect. All right. Now, we're going to confirm the first call. Now the second. All right. Now the third call would run the delegate and revert the BNB to the address. So this literally is the most important part. Perfect. Now copy the URL, go back and refresh, and check that we still got every single BNB in the address. Now on Trust Wallet, open the DApp browser and paste the URL in that. And connect. So we're confirming two calls on this, and they're both published on the second call. Now it's done. Head back over to the wallet. Now just keep refreshing and refreshing. Perfect. Now let's check we do have the actual coins. And yeah, it is correct. All right, so now here's a quick sum up of everything we did. We made the coins to Trust Wallet, ran the calls on MetaMask, got the hex on the channel, and Rabby is just an alternative to MetaMask. So as always, subscribe if you love the content, and I'll post more like this in the future.